introduce myself. My name is John Kenneth Davis. I'm 20 years old and I'm from 1.5 best cream and in Indecent or National Leisure College. And this is my trip prelim and midterm milestone. Actual self, ideal self, and talk self. My actual self is I'm happy because I'm finished my teacher college lesson about the prelim and midterm milestone on how they corporate or how to make themselves well. This is my ideal self for myself. In as a institution who will finish my mission to graduate college for him, my family, and also have to finish my responsibilities to study hard because my brother only sent me to school because he is the whom guide on me to study. My thought self, I think I should be is me who finish my study and he is successful in my life positively on opportunity that will enable me to achieve my dreams and help my family and other people. Number 5 question. State your goal. Tell the audience in the following. Letter A is reason why you want it for your life. Uh, my answer is, based on my opinion, we all want to finish our study, but we have a problem. But even if there a problem for you, for the family, don't give up. But you want to finish study, go to study. Letter B of question number 5. How positively certain are you to achieve it? Based on me, because based on myself, I have a dream for myself that I will be able to graduate from school and become a policeman. Number letter C and letter D for the question number 5 is for whom who you will share and fruit of your goal and by what date will you complete it. So for me, the number 1 is my family because they are the reason I was able to study in college and they are also the ones who guide me in my studies and I will let them down. We can't even say when we'll complete it because I am new begin in college and it just begin in my challenge. And this is the number 6 question is give 3 feasible solution that you can do it resolve those obstacles. For me, for 3 obstacle is look for funding source as a grant, scholarship, or assistance programs. Number 2 is make budgeting plans and financial planning. And number 3 is apply for job and project make sense your goal. The number 7 question is identify my 3 bad habits that I think might hinder or delay my journey in achieving my goals. And this is my 3 bad habits is having distractions and losing my focus. And my number 2 is having negative thought and losing motivation. And the number 3 is neglect and complicity. And my 3 practical solution is set limits on the use of gadget and simply find a place that is quit and free of the distraction. My number 2 solution is practice in mindfulness and meditation or read motivation books and articles. Or the number 3 is create and plan and schedule or set a clearly achievable goals that you will connect accountability partner or mentor. The number 8 question is may assume that I have already achieved my goals. My goals. My question is reaching my goals is a victory not only for me, but for all the people who support and believe in me. This is a proof that a person's effort and having a positively mindset are important to reaching goals. All the hardship and trial were worth it because I achieved my dreams, baby dreams. Last video presentation. Thank you for watching and like this video and share, comment and subscribe and keep safe everyone and goodbye.